Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Sunday, February 5th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video because, as LiveGood gains more and more momentum and grows, it catches the eyes of everybody. And of course, the people that are in other companies and stuff, they get, jealous and upset. And, you start seeing more negative comments all around online, okay? So, for those of you who think that the LiveGood products are just private labeled products put into a bottle and then just slapped on this website, it's far from the truth, okay? These are high quality products at a very affordable price for everybody. It's actually wholesale pricing for everybody, all right? And the reason why the products are so inexpensive is because of the way the compensation plan is set up in LiveGood. Ben Glinsky and Nader Kazan, they have designed this compensation plan so everybody wins, all right? So instead of paying $120 for a bottle of CBD oil, you're only paying $26, okay? And the way they can do that is it's based on our membership business model, all right? And the membership business model is anybody can join this. You pay a one-time $40 affiliate fee. That gives you your back office and all the marketing tools that you need to run your business. And then you pay a $9.95 per month membership fee like you do at Sam's Club or Costco's. All right. And by paying that membership, it allows you to access these products for wholesale prices. So don't get misled when you see, our CBD oil, 1,500 milligrams, selling for $26 a bottle when other companies have it as high as $120. All right, that's the way we can do that is because we're not paying out huge commissions on these products. We're paying out commissions based on the affiliate, the $40 affiliate fee when somebody joins, and then on the $9.95 membership fee. Okay, so and just to prove that these products aren't junk, all right, you can come onto the page. You can click the link down in the bottom and you'll be taken to the LiveGood page. It looks like this, okay, and at the bottom of it, you're going to see a section that says Certificates of Analysis. And if you click on that, all right, it'll bring you to this page with our products on it, and you can click on any of the products to view their certificate. All right, so let's just take a look at the Bioactive Complete Multivitamin for Men. All right, this opens up a PDF file from Alternative Laboratories, okay? And you can see right here the company names for LiveGood. The product is the multivitamin for men. It's a dietary supplement. The product is for human consumption. It's non-toxic. There's no risk. All right. And then you can see that everything here, the color is orange. It conforms. When you look at the yeast, it's supposed to be less than 1,000 CFU. And the results are less than 100. The mold, less than 1,000. The results are less than 100. E. coli is negative. Salmonella is negative. All right. So these are really good products. And then it's signed down here that I certify that this information is true. And it's signed by the Quality Assurance Manager. All right. So this company is based out of Fort Myers, Florida. You can look them up if you'd like to. But each product has one of these certificates, okay? So let's look at the Ultra Magnesium Complex. All right. Again, it's non-toxic. There's no risk. Everything conforms up here. And then everything passes the results over here. Again, there's less than 100 CFUs of yeast, less than 100 mold, less than 100 for the coliforms, no E. coli, no salmonella, and again, it's signed, okay? So these products are top notch. Let's just check out the CBD oil, full spectrum, 1,500 milligrams. All right, this is certified by Americana Laboratories. All right, and it's part of Alternative Laboratories. You can see here, total CBD, 792 milligrams. All right, we're selling it 750 milligrams. There's actually more in it. All right, there's no THC in this, obviously, not detected. But you can come in here and look at all of these breakdowns for it, all these breakdowns. But as you can see here, this is signed off by Stephen Perez, who's the laboratory director. And all of these products have these certificates of analysis, all right? So, again, these are top-notch products with the highest quality ingredients found on the planet. And, again, the reason why they're so inexpensive is because this LiveGood is the first ever membership-based network marketing company, okay? And it's just blowing up. the health and wellness part of this is only one small thing, okay? This is going to be turned into like another Amazon for the network marketing world, okay? Basically, any product they can put in this company and sell it at a wholesale price, all right? So anyway, if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in joining LiveGood, there is a link in the description box which will take you over to a page that looks like this. All right, we have a 5-minute, 55-second video here you can watch, and then you can reserve your position in our matrix by putting in your first, last name, and email, clicking on the Reserve My Position Now button. And as you can see here, it's free to reserve your position. You can opt out at any time. All right, and what I'm doing for people who join under me using the link in the description box is I am putting you on our team rotator. I'm driving traffic to your site every day, and you're going to stay on that rotator until you rank up to bronze, which means that you refer 2 people. All right, once you're a bronze, you're taken off the rotator, and then we help those 2 people get signups. Okay, so we also have a private Facebook group for all of my personal referrals. And we have a Zoom call every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It goes for an hour. We just hop on. We talk about LiveGood, talk about different strategies that we're using and things that are working and things that aren't. So we have a really good team here. We're growing really quickly. I have almost 400 people in my matrix now. And it's the quickest success I've ever had in all of my 16 years of online marketing. So if you want to join a team that's really growing, and have a sponsor that actually cares about you and answers questions and takes time to help you, then please consider joining using the link in the description box. I'd be more than happy to work with you and learn and grow and help build your team with you. All right, so again, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in any of them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.